stops to number 5, Johnson.
And Rado.
11 Binavidin. Kakaldag dito si Idol. 10 seconds on the shot clock. He spins for group. Hands po. Huli ka boy. Huli. Number 11.
Drive.
Slaughter shot. That's good for two. Kawayan. Dribbling the ball.
Stop.
Launches 3. Bang! Off the glass. Miguel kicks out.
Corner.
3. Bang! 3 points. Number 26.
Passing so.
Further pass and good for two. Nakukuha dito ng
San Jose del Monte.
body step using the window and pocket for two. Pass on the inside.
Spins.
Oop! Sinamekos pa. Pabitin na Idol. Mga Idol, nandito tayo sa Intertown ng Bulacan para sa laban ng City of San Jose del Monte versus Mekawayan. Between number 12 for City of San... Ooh! Ayun. Here you go. Ball possession. For 3. No good. What's there? Number 11. Drives. Slaughter shot. That's good for two. And here you go. Team Mekawayan. Dribbling the ball. Stop. Launches 3. Bang! Off the number 5 for dribbling the ball. Pass back number 5. Holding the ball now. Pass to the middle. Nakagawan dito. Nagmamadali. And easy basket. Pass is there. Dive straight to the basket. Floor shot. No good. The rebound by number 0 here. The bounce pass, number 19, Mama, pass to number 10, launch 3, bang, 3 points. Mid lane here for number 5, for the pink team, corner 3, no good, rebound here for Mekawayan. Stop, fire for 3, bang! And dribbling here the ball. And drives at the middle, kicks out, corner 3, bang! 3 points! Oh, the whistle. For the backdoor inbound here to number 26. At the corner, kakaldag dito si Idol, 10 seconds on the shot clock. He spins for hoop. Hands po, huli ka boy, huli. Oh. And for the inbound here is Pama. Bounce pass to number 26. Pass back Pama. Holding the ball now. Number 10 pass on the corner. Fires. Oh, so pal ang inabot ni Idol. And here's number 5. Jamson here didiskarte. At sa gilid nga sa pagitna. Pull up J and a back and forth. For Team Mekawayan, the bounce pass to Rokak. He spins sa gilid. Drive forward shot. No good. Put back shot. Using the window. And here's number 5. For Team San Jose del Monte. Number 5, Jamson to number 1. Kicks on the corner. Long to Mane. And here's number 10, Valmonte. To the middle and drives, pass it there, and the recover number 26 here stops. Corner 2, no good. Battle for rebound here. Makukuha dito ng San Jose del Monte. Side step using the window and pocket for Son. And here's Team Mekawayan, number 26 to number 19 dito. Drives, kicks out. Fire for a 3, short, rebound here, pass on the corner, to Mira, wala. At number 30 here, pinasa the connection and the finish. And number 26 there. And here you go, kakaldag, tira, oh, so palpal. Kinaldagan, tumira tapal ulit. The double tapal, reverse layup, and connects the feet. Number 5 for dribbling the ball. Chamson here. Chamson. Di diskarte. Inasa right corner shot. No good. Rebound pa rin. Ang sariling tira is Spence. Kicks on the out. And number 24 here. He stops to number 5 Chamson. And Rad number 11 pinabidin. For the inbound, number 11 to number 12 to number 30. Kicks on the out. Tries three. Bam! Bull. Crosses the mid lane here. The bounce pass. Number 19. And drives. Floater. No good. Rebound. Fakes. Touch. Butata. Inbound. Looking for the receiver here. Holding the ball. Pass to number 31. Launches. Corner 2. No. Basket for 2. And here's number 31. Oop. Pinasa sa loob. Uy. Bumalik. Tumira. Oop. Off the glass. Heading the play. Pinasa sa labas. Tatapikan at naagawan. No. Lalon here. Mejia. Oh. No. Easy basket. Nakangiti pa si Idol. Behind the back. Dribble. Pass inside. Nang gandang pasang. Ginasa ulit. Oh. The fake. The clutch. No good. And number 24 here. To number 25. Natapikan sa likod. No. Nagawan na recover. Side step. Lays up. Oh. Nice move from the... And number 31 here. Villanueva. Drives. Floater. Oh. So pal ulit. For inbound here. Bounce pass. Number 0. Kakaldag. Natapikan. Nagawan. Oop. Nakalusot si Idol. And a nice pass. All alone. Mejia. And this time pumasok. Number 31 here, Villanueva. Nagawan ulit ni Mejia. Pull up J. In and out and in. Mejia. And number 19 now. 14 May Kawayan. Dire-diretso Pinamekus. Wala. Tip in. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Number 4. Spin. Nabitawan ng bola. And here you go, number 12. Bounce pass there. Mejia again. And nice miss. Back 2 points para kay Mejia doon. Oops. Number 19. And number 31 ngayon. Drive, pass, basket, and 1. And here's number 24, Mendoza, dribbling the ball, pass at the middle. Number 25, pass inside. And setting the play. And drives, bounce pass. Muntik ng magawa. Number 30, takes. Stop, pull up J, long 2, short. And the rebound here. And the pass break. And fakes ang gandang pass at pumasok. 25 na naman ang score. And binato. And that to number 8, Pascual. Pascual to number 31, Villanueva. Attacks, spin, fires. Tawan, pass break dito. 2 versus 1, binit-bit, lays up. Easy bucket. Kawayan basketball number 26 to Balmonte. Balmonte attack, stop, pull up J off the window and bucket for 2. Here, 14 May Kawayan looking for the receiver. Balmonte here. Balmonte dito, spin, crossover, stop, floater shot, and good for 2. Number 25 sa gitna, Dairit. Pass back there, pull up J. In and out and in. Balmonte ngayon. Balmonte. To number 35, drive. Oh, no basket. No and bounce pass there. Number 35, drives, pinilit, basket and 1. Natapikan sa likod, na-recover. Dairit, number 23. Cross pass. Picks. Attacks, pass inside, spins, fade away shot and Balmonte number 35. Oop. At nagmamadali dito number 14. Oop. Oop. And for the inbound here. Kick out. Drive, side step, kicks out. Launches long 2, bucket for 2. Nakuha ulit ng May Kawayan. The blue team lays up, binit-bit pa, no good. The rebound for team San Jose, raise up, easy bucket yun. And number 0, side step, natapikan. And number 12 dito, ibababa ang bola. Side step, diretso sa basket, lays up, good for 2. And the rebound for Team May Kawayan here, bababa ang bola, umistop and pass to Angeles. Stop, par for 3, bang! Number 5. Bumira, wala. Floater shot niya ito, wala. And for the inbound here, looking for the receiver at the middle, corner, fires, 3, back! To Requeta. Pass to number 35, bumangga, talaktak. Natapik. For the inbound here, hook shot, pumasok yan! Villanueva, nakuha dito. And last seconds to play, fires, no! The backdoor inbound here, looking for the receiver. Stop, pull up J, bucket for 2. And here number 5, Chamson here, just pass to number 24. Back pass, oh! Tic-tac-toe pass, counted and 1. Bounce pass. And here ko nagmamadali, number 1 Cabrera, lays up and bucket for 2. And number 10, Belmonte pass to number 26, pass inside, further pass and good for 2. And number 5, Chamson at the corner, pass to the middle, fires, wala. Battle for rebound here, nakuha ni Belmonte, naagawan ni Chamson, na-recover, number 19, open for 3, no good. Pass break nga ron, and nag-isa si Idol. Oh! And here's number 10. Bounce pass inside, levels layup, wala. And the pass break, number 11, binitbit, and too strong. Palm number 19, Kinamekus, wala. Put back shot and good for 2. Pass it there, number 24 at the corner 3. No good, rebound. Nakuha dito ng blue team. May Kawayan, number 5, pinasa pa balik, pinasa pa, extra pass, wala. And 2 on 1. Pass there, alley-oop pass, And number 31 to number 8. Pascual, passes to number 4, drives, pinatagod. And the ball possession for City of San Jose del Monte, number 24, lost the street. Bang! Plus the... And here's agawan na naman. And here's Pink Team. Gandang layup naman ng Pink Team para sa City of Jose del Monte. Umatake dito, lays up. And a good for 2 again. Pass kay number 1, Lastra, pass inside, part of the window. San Jose del Monte at the middle of the court. Umatake si Idol, lays up. Number 19 holding the ball. And kumakaldag dito, step back to the middle, 2 no good. Rebound pa rin, number 31, pass inside, libreng-libre, and a friendly roll. And here's Team May Kawayan. Drive, stop, number 1 here, Lastra, sa 3. Bang! Off the... At nandito na ngayon ang Team San Jose del Monte, floater shot, number 6 off the glass, yes sir. Number 7, Mejia. Pass there inside. Drives. Oops, umigwe, wala. Binit-bit, lays up of the glass and good for 2. And number 10 dito. Oop, no? Naagawan. Pass break. Oop. And bounce pass number 6, floater shot, no good. Rebound number 6, pass inside of the glass and good for 2. Belmonte dito. Valmonte stops, pinasahan ng kalaban. Binitbit, tinignan pa yung gwardya. Stop, umatake, foul, and a basket and 4 seconds. Number 7, Mejia, no look pass, tumira sa 3. No good. Oh, no basket. That's the end of the fourth quarter, mga idol. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi ang koponan ng May Kawayan. Spin, fire, basket for 2. 14, Chamson. Pass back number 14. Pass inside, number 5. Pinabalik, Mejia. Rebound, and the pass break. Pascual, inintay yung mga kasama. Number 31, Villanueva here, dribbling the ball. Villanueva attacks. Kinaliwa-Legos off the glass, good for 2. Pass to Mejia. Bounce pass inside. Kicks out. Corner 2, no good. Rebound, Pama. Number 0, Angeles. Number 4, Santos. Villanueva here. And 10 seconds to shoot. Stop for 3. Bars. Number 14 to number 5. Chamson. Oh, the tip in and the win. Villanueva. Bounce pass. Pass on the inside. Spins. Come up. Pinamekos pa. Pabitin na idol. Villanueva. To number 0. Attacks. Fire. Down to 10 points ang Kalamangan. And here's number 1. Cabrera. Kicks out. Drive. Side step. Plays. And a bucket for 2. Villanueva dito, didiskarte, titira sa 3. Wala. Rebound Cabrera. Number 24. Attacks. Please, bucket for 2. And again, pumunta sa pink team. Oops, lays up. And basket and 1. And here's number 2. Pinasa ang layo. Nakakot. 4 versus 2. Behind the back. Pama. Corner 3. Bang! 3 points. Pass break. And all alone. Lays up. Easy bucket. Here's number 31. The bounce pass. Titira ulit sa 3. No good. Rebound. Angeles. Tumira sa off the glass. Good for 2. To Cordial. To number 5. Drives. Kicks out. Open for 3. Too strong. Rebound dito. Pass break ngayon and all alone. Pascuales and good for 2. Jal. To number 11 to number 5 here. Sumizigzag. Cabrera. Pass to number 5. Kicks out. Launch 3. Bang! 3 points. Stop. Open for 3. Bang! 3 points. Minekos pa, pasok. Eba. Palma spins. Number 8. Villanueva sa 3. Bang! Chamson crossover. Nag-dance. Kicks out. Number 11. Chamson. Pass inside. Natapikan. Pass. Wala. Naagawan. And a pass break. Villanueva lays up. Good for 2. Mendoza. Umatake. Binitbit. Wala. And here's number 1. Attacks. Pama. Sakto yun. Sa 3, Pascual. Boundary! Nagaw. Easy bucket. Sa 3. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, City of San Del Monte.